a striped turtleneck, which is a print. And instead of being a traditional white and black, it is red and black. Then we add a knit cardigan. This is a nice olive knit cardigan from Banana Republic. So when you add red and green together, you're playing with colors. And because if you remember correctly, they're on a color wheel across from each other, then that means that red and green are complementary colors. Also, there's a difference in textures. The turtleneck and the leggings are different texture from the knitted cardigan. If you add sunglasses, you have a touch of glamour. And then the bag has a little bit of snake print. So we're playing with different colors, different textures, and different prints. And this is the strategy to allow something that's basic to elevate something that is a basic, such as black leggings, and not look boring. Look number 2, we have a houndstooth print. So anytime you add a print with a solid color, this adds some interest to the look, thus making it not boring. So this is a brown houndstooth blazer from Banana Republic. We have some brown stiletto heels. I love these. These are they're comfortable, they're sexy. So we have a nice polished look, but it's to me like a sexy collegiate look. And we have the cream sleeveless turtleneck. So when you pair different patterns and different textures and different contrasts and neutrals, this is what makes a neutral outfit interesting. We have the black, of course, in the leggings, the cream in the cropped sleeveless turtleneck, and then we have the print in the blazer. So all of these elements together make a neutral outfit interesting. Ivory cream long sleeve turtleneck. We have the same boots on as the previous look, and of course the black leggings. So again, we're playing with the contrast and neutrals. We're gonna add a long duster. So I love this duster, or coatigan as I call it. It has a nice shawl collar detail, and it's mohair and alpaca. So again, different textures. It's a different shade of brown from the boots. And then we add a belt. A belt just cinches in the waist and adds a nice silhouette, creates a nice feminine silhouette. So this look is very elegant. It's luxe, and again, a play on different shades of neutrals. So this is how you make an outfit, again, that is neutral, look interesting. Different colors, different textures, and then based on your personal style, you can add different elements that add to that. Red cropped sweatshirt. This is so nice and warm. I wear this whenever I want to be comfy and kind of sporty. I have a Yankee fitted cap. Love it. Any of you guys know, I'm originally from New York, so this is pretty much part of the uniform. Also have that paired with sunglasses, which again always add an element of glamour. Have the navy bag, and this is our look. So this look to me is very elevated, sporty. I'm not really into, you guys know if you've watched any of my other videos, I'm not really very much of a sporty girl. So this is like my idea of sporty elevated. And one of my subscribers who I love because she is so invested in fashion and she watches my videos all the time, her name is Miriam. She asked for a street style look. I don't know, Miriam, if this is street style enough or not, but I tried. This is a blue turtleneck from Vince. I love to pair blue and black together. That's like one of my favorite color combinations. Layered over with this faux fur vest. I love this vest. Faux fur, anytime you're wearing faux fur or fur that just screams glamour. And who doesn't want to feel glamorous? And especially because of the length of the fur, so it adds even more drama. So not only are you warm, because this is actually very warm, but you'll also add interest to your outfit. It's glamorous. And then we have the navy purse with the gold accents, so that adds even more glamour to a look. So this look is comfy, it's glamorous. So the play on this look is matching contrasting colors with the navy and the black, and also adding glamorous elements. So the faux fur is a glamorous element. I have on some flats. Again, we see a play on contrasting neutrals, the top and the bottom. That's something that I love to do. As you can see, I do that quite often. This vest is a mocha colored vest. Has a nice exaggerated collar, nice pockets, and there's a seam on the back. So whenever you have items that are nice, constructed well, and they have these elements such as the exaggerated collar, the seam in the back, the nice pockets, and it fits well, these are the kind of things that you want to buy and mix and match with different outfits, because it would take something that is basic such as leggings and elevate it. Now this looks more dressy. Then we will add sunglasses. Sunglasses, again, always add an element of glamour. Doesn't matter what season it is. And then we have that pair with a printed bag. This is a cute bucket bag from Coach, and it has a print. So again, we make something that is neutral, not boring, but having a contrast in our neutrals. We have an element, and whether it be in our clothing or in our accessories, that's constructed well and that looks unique. And then we have a print. Olive hoodie. My husband and I have matching olive hoodies, but I like to pair this with a nice long coat. So this is a blue houndstooth coat. It's single breasted. I just love the contrast and the colors. Again, a play on colors. We have green and blue. And if you remember, there was called analogous colors on the color wheel. So they're next to each other. So colors that are next to each other or across from each other are an easy way to see colors that are compatible. So blue and green, another one of my favorite color combos. We have a different play on textures and colors. Also, we add the bag. The bag has, again, a print. So it's a neutral mixed with prints. We have sunglasses, always an element of glamour. And then our footwear just adds an element of glamour as well. This is definitely elevated casual glam. Pink cable knit sweater. It's so soft and comfy. We're gonna pair this with a green, forest green cardigan. It's nice and long, so one is more so cropped. So we have a play in different colors, different lengths, and there are different types of knit. If you ever want to pair colors together but you're not sure, you can also think about, besides from using the color wheel, you can also think about what you see in nature. So this makes me think of, this is a play on a pink rose, a pink knockout rose, but more wintry and dark. So we have the pink and then the green, of course, obviously for the stem of the rose. Then we have a printed bag. This bag is a colorful bag and it has different colors in it, which the two knits are pulled from the bag, the colors. So we add, so this look looks great because we have different colors, different textures, and we have a print. Black leggings are very much a basic, and so that means that you can add different things. So we want to play with different colors, different patterns, different prints, and accessories that are more based on our personal style. So whether that be, if you want to be more casual, then you'll add casual elements such as flat boots, such as a fitted, if you want to be, or a vest, but maybe more like a puffer vest if you want to be more sporty or casual. If you want to be dressier, you add dressier elements such as a cardigan or a duster or a vest or faux fur. Glamour, again, is faux fur, different types of jewelry, sunglasses. So think about your personal style, what elements will bring this across, and go from there. If you want more tips on personal style, check this video out right here.